This is the tutorial for using the Biosensing Android app. To successfully use this app, you must have the app and database server installed per the instructions in the installation guide. This example uses a TI sensor tag as a Bluetooth low-energy biosensing device that this app is supposed to connect to. Make sure the database server and BLE device are both running. When you open the app, it will prompt you to turn on Bluetooth capability. Depending on the version of Android OS you are running, it might also prompt you to turn on location services. Make sure you do so. Tap the button at the top right to reveal the option to scan for nearby Bluetooth devices. Tap Scan to do so. If the device is nearby and available, it will be listed on the screen like you see here. Tap the device to connect to it. Wait a few seconds and the screen will list the services that the device has. The sensors that are on the device will also be listed here as services. This device has a temperature sensor that collects ambient temperature data, which is of the room, as well as target temperature data, which is the device itself. It also has humidity and pressure sensors. Right now, we will connect to the temperature sensor by tapping it and then double tapping temperature data. As you can see, live sensor data is now being displayed at the top of the screen. At the bottom of the screen, you can tap the box to reveal a pop-up with options to view graphs of different sensor data. Tap on the one you are interested in. Here we will tap on the ambient temperature data graphs. Press go, and on this screen, you will see two different options. The first option lets you see a graph with data in a custom range. Use the first button to enter a start date and the second to enter an end date. So you see here, just tap on the button start date and it opens up the slider that lets you pick the date and time. Once you've entered both and press go, it will display a graph with data in the range that you specified. You can zoom and scroll through the graph using your two fingers. And if you tap on the point, it'll show you the date and time and the temperature value. If you press back and go back to the next screen, you'll see the second option. The second option shows you a real-time graph of the sensor data. Press go to display the graph. The same way, you can zoom and scroll through the graph. It'll populate the graph with the last 20 values that are in the database, and then every 30 seconds start plotting the next value from the sensor onto the graph. So we'll wait the 30 seconds. And you see here that it plotted a new value. And that brings us to the end of our tutorial. Thank you.